here I have OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find this button, power saving mode. Just tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to turn off automatically when your device is up to 60% charged or is fully charged. And you can set it to turn on at a specific battery level, and you can select this battery level. And you can also change its default optimizations, like reduce screen brightness, change auto screen off time to 15 seconds, disable background synchronization. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.